Yeah, when I saw it, and it was actually plastic, and even the straps and everything were 3D printed, I thought that was really cool. And then the colors, of course. Kaylani likes colors, so I know she's going to be attracted to it. It's a blessing. We're very grateful for it.
I love all the colors, and to me it's amazing how all those pieces have come together. To be able to do this and give back to someone is very special.